Once I've pierced all of the wax cappings, I'll place the frames in my honey extractor and spin them. As the frames spin, the honey will drip down to the bottom. Now, while harvesting, it's normal for beeswax or propolis to mix in with the honey. So I'll pour off the honey into a bucket with a strainer to remove this extra debris. Then I'll leave the honey for a couple of hours to allow any air bubbles to rise to the top. Finally, I'll grab my jar and fill it with honey. And that's it. That's how I harvest my spring honey.